Ready to level up your painting skills and emulate the unique style of Van Gogh? In this video, we'll simplify Van Gogh's techniques into 5 essential tips that will help you tap into your inner artist. Grab your paintbrushes and let's get creative. Van Gogh brought his canvases to life with bold brushwork that echoed his dreams and emotions. So for our first tip, cultivate a deep connection with your brush. Allow it to glide across your canvas and translate your feelings into visuals. More than imitating Van Gogh, it's about embracing his spirit of exploration and self-expression. Van Gogh was known for his fearless use of vibrant colors to express his emotions. So our second tip encourages you to embrace his philosophy. Explore hues, play with gradients, and let your chosen colors tell your personal narrative. Dive into the colorful world of Van Gogh and make your canvas a depiction of your life hues. Van Gogh simplified and interpreted his subjects on canvas instead of exactly replicating them. Following his insightful path, our third tip urges you to seek, understand, and paint the essence of your subject. This approach can transform your artworks into vivid expressions of profound connection. Mistakes for Van Gogh were beautiful elements adding depth to his paintings. Our fourth tip aligns with this philosophy, pushing you to see mistakes as growth opportunities. This shift in mindset unlocks potential, heightens skills, and imbues your work with authenticity. Van Gogh's passion for his art was palpable in every stroke he made, drawing on his zeal. Our final tip encourages you to pour your emotions onto your canvas. Let the canvas embody your feelings, making it an expressive echo of your state of mind. This video provided a quick rundown of 5 ways to paint like Van Gogh. Bold brushwork, vibrant colors, capturing essence, valuing imperfections, and painting with passion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. As Van Gogh articulated, great things are a series of small things. Adopt these small tips and make your own great art. Thanks for watching. But wait, there's more. If you found these tips useful and want to take your painting skills to the next level, why not check out Acrylic Arts Academy? They offer a variety of free courses that can help you further cultivate your passion for painting. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Don't miss this chance to elevate your artistry. Remember, every great artist was once an amateur, and every stroke you paint brings you one step closer to mastery. Happy painting, artists!